today's writing lesson for Wednesday, our learning intention is I am learning about nouns and verbs in procedures. Let's have a look at our sunflower seed planting procedure again. This is the title. These are the materials. These are the steps. And of course we have the pictures. Now we know that there are three parts to the structure of a procedure. We have been looking at the title and the materials in the previous lesson, and today we're going to look at the method or the steps that you need to follow. This here are the steps. This is the method that you will use to plant a sunflower seed. Procedures have specific words. They have nouns and verbs. Nouns are the name of something. Squeeze some toothpaste on the toothbrush. The two orange words here are both nouns, toothpaste and toothbrush. Let's look at the verb sentence. Put your toothbrush under some water. The word put is a verb. So when we write procedures, we must use clear and direct language to do so that the person who is following the procedure understands exactly what they need to do. Let's look a little bit closer at the procedure for the sunflower and at what we need to do. Step 1, fill the pot with soil to just below the top. Step 2, add a little water to the soil. Step 3, gently press 1 or 2 seeds into the soil. Step 4, cover the seeds with a small amount of soil. Step 5, carefully pour more water onto the soil. So do you remember what the noun was? The noun is a naming word. That means it's a name of a person, place or a thing. In step 1, pot is a noun. Can you find another noun in this sentence? If you said soil, you would be correct. Let's have a look at step 2. Can you find the noun? Well done. Water. And soil. Oops. Step 3, I've already shown you one. Seeds. Are there any more nouns in step 3? If you said soil, you would be correct. Now let's have a look at step 4 and 5. Can you find any more nouns? The nouns in step 4 are seeds and soil. And in step 5, water and soil. So let's now have a look at verbs. The verbs we are going to do in red, and verbs are action words. That means something that we do. So let's have a look at step 1. Fill the pot with soil to just below the top. Can you find the action word in this sentence? Fill. If you fill something, you're doing something. You are filling the pot with soil. Fill is the verb. Let's look at step number 2. Can you find the verb in this sentence? Add. Add is the verb. Step 3 and 4. You can see press and cover are the verbs in these two sentences. Now have a look at step 5. Carefully pour more water onto the soil. Which word is a verb in this sentence? If you said pour, you are correct. Well done. Now it's your turn. In your book, I would like you to write the IAL. I am learning about nouns and verbs in procedures. You're going to read your procedure that is for your group, and if you can, print it out and stick it into your book. Or what you will do is you will either write in blue the nouns or red the verbs. Please do it like I have done in the example. Write in blue the word nouns, and then all of the nouns that you can find, use your normal writing pencil to write them. And then verbs in red, and write all of the action words, the verbs, in pencil next to that. Take a photo of your work and submit it to Class Dojo. Let's have a look at the groups. Blue group and red group. You will be working on the text, How to Get Dressed. Yellow group and green group. You will be working on the procedure to the pond instructions. I've attached a copy of these two to the end of this presentation, but we'll also have them in our PDF or Dojo for you to print.